guys are doing well and are having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video we have another Lush unboxing video and I'm very excited because I'm not gonna lie, I have seen some spoilers, I have seen some photos and it looks incredible and I honestly cannot wait to unbox it with you guys. So in today's video we are going to be unboxing the Fresh and Flowers box for February. I am very excited about this one and I do just want to say a massive thank you to Lush for sending this to me and letting us unbox this together. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Okay, so let's open it up together. I am so excited. Honestly, this box looks incredible and I instantly am in love with it. Like, look at that. How beautiful is that? It looks so much better in person. This is stunning. I just love Valentine's Day. I love when Lush do Valentine's Day because everything is pink and everything looks so cute. So, okay, let's dive in. I need to get the ingredient sheet though. They always put it at the bottom and I feel like it's so impossible to get out of the box. Okay, so firstly in the box we have got our fresh flowers. Now I'm not gonna lie, mine are looking a little bit worse for wear. I mean, it's probably how they got smushed in the post, but we're gonna put them in some water anyway and hopefully revive them. But that is so cute. And then we have some really incredible products. I'm gonna have to start with this one because not only is the packaging pink, it looks so cute. So this is the Sweetie Fresh face mask and on the front it says, "Hello sweetie, don't we have a treat for you? Deliciously brightening strawberries and hydrating watermelon will have you looking sweet as pie." That sounds absolutely incredible. I feel like I'm gonna love this one and I'm gonna be so sad when we run out. Also love the pink packaging, like a big fan of the pink packaging. Oh, okay, it's a lot more liquidy than I thought. I nearly spilt that. That smells insane. It smells kind of like yummy, but Strawberry Feels Forever massage bar, that kind of vibe. Oh my god, that's so good. I'm not going to show you guys because I will spill it on the floor, but that's honestly probably the nicest smelling face mask I have ever smelled. Like, that is so good. In terms of ingredients in this one, we have got things like strawberry juice, we've also got cornstarch, we have also got watermelon. It's honestly smells so good that I feel like I could eat it, so I'm really excited about that one. The next item we have is in another pot and this is the Peachy Fresh Body Scrub. It says on the front, "We've squeezed fresh peaches and peach kernel oil plus scrubby almonds to make a scrub that will leave your behind and everywhere else soft and just peachy." That sounds so good. I absolutely love the sound of that and also I love peaches, so let's give it a smell. Oh my gosh, I can't open it. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, that's so good. That smells really good. It almost smells like a sour sweet, like a really sweet sour kind of smell. And in terms of ingredients, we have got things like ground cherry stones, we've also got peach, we've also got peach kernel oil, we also have ground almonds, we have grapefruit oil, we have also got dried peach leaf extract, we have also got lime tree flower extract. We've got a lot of yummy things in here. I'm very excited about this one. It does look very similar to a facial cleanser, but I just love the look of it. It looks really fun and different. Delicious. The next item we have is one of the most exciting things I've ever seen. It's so cute and this is the Honey Bear Facial Gummy Wash. This is adorable. Obviously it's in the shape of a little bear face and I just love the look of this one. On the front it says, wait, no it doesn't, that's not what it says. "This adorable super milk scented gummy is here to leave your skin feeling properly looked after with a soothing blend of oatmeal, honey and carrageenan. Wet the gummy and rub between hands to make a lather and wash your face with the foam and rinse off." That sounds insane, and now that I know it smells like super milk, I am very excited to give this one a go. In terms of ingredients, we have got things like carrageenan extract, we've also got vanilla extract, we have also got linseed cubea oil, we also have honey, almond oil. I'm very excited to give this one a try, and to be honest with you, the fact that it just looks like a bear, like, I love it. Oh my goodness. And I just love the gummies. Like, the texture is so weird to me. Like, it's like a hard shower jelly kind of texture, but again, so adorable. I absolutely love the look of this one and I cannot wait to give it a go. Oh, it's so good. The next item we have is a massage bar and this is the Monerie massage bar and it says on here, "Wee the cherry chocolate scent of cherry-ish comes together with cherry kernel oil, cocoa and avocado butter so beautifully. Don't you agree? Pinch off a really small amount and use on dry skin to moisturize any bits that need it or to unwind with your caramia." I don't know what that means. Oh, that smells delicious. Oh, that's such a throwback smell. Like, to me, this is going to sound really weird, and I feel like people that were born in the 90s will totally understand what I mean. But there used to be a baby that had a spoon and it had like a cherry like thing on it, and you'd put it to the baby's mouth and it would disappear. Do you know what I mean? And it would have a smell, and to me it smells like that. That is so good. And in terms of ingredients, it has got things like avocado butter, we've got cherry kernel oil, we have also got fair trade organic cocoa butter, we have also got almond essential oil. Oh, it smells so good. I can't even get my words out, like that actually smells insane. Oh, it's so delish, and it has some really beautiful flowers on top. Like, I love the look of this one. The only thing with this sort of style of massage bar is I find that it kind of gets everywhere, so I do put them in a tin because I find it a little bit easier, but oh, that's so nice. And the last item in the box, I'm not gonna lie, I instantly thought it was gonna be a bath bomb, but it's not. So this is the Sweetie Toner Tab, and essentially you break off a little piece of it and you put it in some warm water and you steam your face, and you can use that water then to either wash off a face mask or put it in the fridge and use it as a toner. I'm very excited about that. Scent wise, we've had this smell. I swear I have smelt something in this scent before. It's floral and it's fresh and it's very light, but it smells definitely more on the floral side. It's really nice though. And in terms of ingredients in this one, you have things like geranium oil, lemon oil, we've also got hibiscus flower powder, rose extract. It's very similar to rose jam, but I fear maybe not exactly the same, I don't know. It smells really good though, and it's really cute. Like, I absolutely love the look of that. It's called Cutie, but you know what I mean. I love the look of it. So fun. Is it rose jam? Now I'm smelling it and I'm confusing myself. It does smell like rose jam. It's so good though. Oh, yum. So those are all of the items in the Lush Fresh and Flowers box for February. I would love to know down below, what are your thoughts and opinions on this box? Have you got it? Were you gonna get it? Did you skip it? Let me know down below. And also, again, I do just want to say a massive, massive thank you to Lush for not only sending me this box, but like thinking of me to send this box. Do you know what I mean? Like, I feel very lucky, very thankful, very grateful. And I just want to say, again, this is not a sponsored video. This is just me unboxing it just because I love Lush. You guys know this, I'm a big fan. Also, if you guys didn't know, I do have a Lush affiliate link, which is always linked in the description. You guys never have to use it, but if you did want to use it, it is down below. But that is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.